What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda. I shouldn't be as excited about this as I am, probably because, I'll be honest, this device here, which is brand new, you wouldn't think it by looking at it, it's brand new, and I'm pretty excited, but it is long overdue. As you might be able to see here, it is an Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K. But what makes this one interesting and what makes it really brand new is that it was released today, delivered today, and this is going to be an unboxing of it, I guess, is that it has the HDMI CEC, the Consumer Electronic Control, on it, which has been available on the various Rokus. We have paperwork here. Before, you know, they call it the enhanced remote, where you can power on the TV, control the volume. It really makes the remote for your device a universal remote. It's really awesome. But for whatever reason, the Amazon Fire Sticks haven't had them. Nice long micro USB cable right there. That's how you're going to power the stick. Let's see. Oh, here we have also, looks like an HDMI adapter. I showed you some of the angled adapters for HDMI, which I tend to like a little bit better, but this allows you to kind of bend it around a corner, tuck it in. So that's pretty cool. It comes with that. That's a nice, you know, $5 piece right there. Comes with a AC power plug. And then here is the stick itself. So like I said, you know, Roku's had them for a while. The Apple TV 4Ks work like that. So the fact that the Amazon Fire Sticks haven't had them has been a big miss. You can see these are pretty large. You know, for example, here is a box cutter. It's not as big as that, nor as heavy. It's plastic, but you know, you might not want this thing sticking straight out the side or out the back. That's where the dongle comes in. You can see HDMI there. So we've got that, and then here is the remote, and looks like we do have a couple of batteries for the remote down here too. Looks like it includes two AAAs, Amazon Basics AAAs. So kind of nice. Everything you need is right here. So again, it's just a little weird that it's taken so long for Amazon to come out with particularly this remote here. And as you can see, it looks just like most of the Amazon remotes. Same shape, kind of curved shape. Light plastic matte finish, but the big difference is power button right there, and then a volume rocker right here with a mute button right there. You have the microphone button here, so you can use Amazon Alexa on it, and that's great for searching for shows, and you can even give it some regular Alexa commands. The circle here, which is a clicking trackpad, just kind of like on the Roku remotes, and then the center is a select, home, back, menu, forward, back, play, pause. So that's what you get here. Installing batteries is going to be pretty simple, I hope. Now I will say too that if you really want this particular remote, you can actually just buy the remote itself. You actually don't need to buy the whole thing. This whole thing here is about 50 bucks. I think it's like 49 something, but let's call it $50. You know, you can get a Roku with the enhanced remote. This is not the enhanced remote, by the way, for about $40. And I really like the Rokus. I think they're maybe some of the best because they have been platform agnostic. You can download Amazon Prime, you can download YouTube and Sling and all those. Now, the advantage that Amazon has to me is, one, Alexa, which is really nice. The second thing is because you don't have to download an Amazon Prime Video app per se, it's already on here. You're kind of already in the ecosystem. You're kind of already in the Amazon world, and so it's transparent. It's not like a separate app. It's kind of just almost the operating system itself. So what I want to do here is get this all set up, get the batteries in, get this all plugged in, and just quick take a look and see if it all works. Let's try it. All right, so I've got the Amazon Fire plugged in and turned on with the TV, and it says tap the remote, tap home to pair. Oh, there it went. So now it says press play to start. Choose English. Scanning for networks. Gonna add it to the Detroit Lions. And now it is connecting. Downloading the latest updates. And it's coming back up after the software update. Once you log into your Amazon account, it'll take you to the remote setup. So what they're going to do here is we'll be playing music during the next step. Make sure your volume is turned up and then continue. So let's go ahead and hit next. I can hear music. I'm sure they're going to want me to try toggling volume up and down, and look at that. Absolutely works. And that's it. This enhanced remote with the consumer electronic control is all set up. Pretty awesome. They're even going to blast you with a little commercial on it, so that might help you get oriented with your new device, but I really like the fact that they've added this. So check it out. I'll put a link to this in the description, or if you just want to pick up the remote or the whole kit, you certainly can. Great enhancement to an already great streaming stick. Peter von Panda, out!